Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial. In this video we want to learn together on how to implement native ads, AdMob native ads in our Android Studio projects. So it is very good if you can implement this and you have these native ads into your app. You will maximize your AdMob revenue and your user experience will be as well good. So many app developers struggling to have this thing into their application. Sometimes SDK can be the issue of them when they reach the goal of displaying the AdSense on their app screen. So that is what we want to dive into the tutorial of today. So without wasting of any time, I believe you have prepared your AdMob account if you mind to use it. But if you want to use let me say practice with me in this tutorial, I will advise you to use AdMob test native ads ID, so to avoid suspension of your AdMob account. So without wasting of any time, if you find this video useful, click on the like button, share the video. If you are new to the channel, we have a lot of AdMob tutorial in our playlist, so you click on it, watch it, and remember to subscribe so that in our next video you also be participants of the blessings and the free tutorial you may ever want to have encounter with. So open your Android Studio app now.
Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
This is my Android Studio projects. I have not opened any projects. I want to go back to my Google account. You search for this word, native ads, AdMob. Again, I want to search for it, but within this keyword, search for it, click on the center enter button. So we have it this way. Wait for it to load. The first result you see, you click and open it in new tab, or you open it in the same tab. Normally I like using new tab to open any new page, so that when I want to go back to the previous one, I can have it. So you have, as you see it this way. So once you open it, you don't need to drag up and down. You go to the get started. You see everything here. Look at the get started by the left side of your screen. The left side, click on the get started here. Look at it here. Click on it in new tab. I'm just giving you these tips so that you can be able to handle your process very well. So you wait for it. As it is opening in this way, you scroll down. We want to first of all copy the dependency and paste in our Gradle, build Gradle. So you scroll down first of all to get the dependency. So you highlight it like this. See the implementation, com.google, Android, JSM Play, Google Service version 20. So you copy it. Once you copy it this way, you go to your Gradle scripts, open your build Gradle here, the model native ads. You click on it, you open it. As you just open it like this, you scroll down, you see under the dependency, you click the enter button to go to the next line. Just a new line, you paste it under the existing dependency you may have. I don't know how many you have. You synchronize it, click the synchronize button here and you synchronize it. So once you synchronize, means you update the code with new value or whatever. So you go back to your AdMob account, the AdMob platform here. you copy the metadata. So first of all, I want to show you, this is the test app ID. So this is the test app ID. If you want to use the test ad like I said, so I highlight it like I did, you follow me and copy it. Once you copy it, go to your native your Android Studio, so that you put this in your string value. So you click on the value here, click at the value under the resources, you click on the value. So once you click on the value, if you want to use the way I'm using it, it's very nice to use this way, so that even if you want to ask the value of it, you click on the string. So once you click on the string, you see I have a string in my resources, which is the app name in my resources. So you click center to have a new line and create a new string with name app ID. So app ID. So you'll be able to use the string name to put it in the place of AdMob app ID in your manifest. So I just put this way, app ID. I put it then in the next area, which is the value of the app ID. I paste the code, or let me say the ID there, the app ID that I copied, the test app ID. This is the test app ID. So after that, you click save and you come down to this place and copy the metadata again, highlight them and copy it all. So once you copy the metadata, go back to your Android Studio projects, then you go to the manifest here. You can see it here, manifest under the app. Go to the Android manifest.xml. It will open this way. Come back to the left side here. As you see it here, you paste this code under immediately after the activity. You don't need to copy the activity, because already we have activities and the Android application here. So you paste it like this. You can see the example text code of the app ID here, that we need to delete it and put our app ID. So if you were like you use the same way method I did, so you don't need to paste the app ID here directly. So you only type the string and the string value name. So I will do it this way: the string slash the name of the string, which is the value is the app ID in the string value. So that is as simple. I don't need to brag. So you have to come to the up of this area. In the top here, you put the internet permission, ask the permission, request for internet permission, so it will work. If you didn't have it, so you have to do this first of all. As well, you did it, do it, type it, you see the permission here. So after that, we have it. Come back to your AdMob platform, scroll down here. I want to show you something here. Okay, let's go back to the first page here. So as you come back, we click on the load. Once you click on the load, you look. Okay, let's just go and get the native templates. We cannot find it here. Let's go to the native. Come to the left side of your screen here. Let's see. Okay, come to the left side of your screen now. The left side of the screen, as you can see here, native templates. Click on it in new tab. Always use new tab, so that when you want to come back to all these old pages, you can be able to access them and do what you want to do, interact with it. So we want to, let's see something here. Let me scroll down and see the templates or the sizes of the native ads. So you see we have two sizes, like about 3 sizes we used to have. This one now right now is showing 2. You see this one. So okay, let's just download the zip file of this template at once. Come to the up here. So once you come to the up, you see download the native templates button, the blue button here. So you click on the blue button. It will take you to the keep up. Use new tab to open it, please. Click up here. You click on the code green button here. Here you click on it. Then under it, you see download zip. So you click on the download zip here. So once you click it, you wait for it to finish downloading. After that, we have to go back to our Android Studio to import this, download this. Like it's finished downloaded. We go back to our Android Studio. After that, click on the top left corner, see file here, file. You click on the file. As you click on the file, you have options here, new. It's finished. Click on the file here. Then you click on the new. The new will give you another option. Click on the import modules. this is, you can see it here, import models. So you click on the import models, click on the import models here. Once you click, it will give you the dialog to import. So you click, you can see in the line there is something like file manager icon behind it by the right side of the text box. So you click on it, so you can be able to open the file. You get the file that you downloaded, you select it, click on the OK, it will import. Once you have it here, you click on the finish button here to have it. So we have it now. The next thing, we have to go back to our let's go back to our AdMob, the platform again, so we can get the dependency of the native ad. You want to have the dependency first. So scroll down in that same page, scroll down, you will see the dependency before we start the process of it. Let's look for it here. Let's see where okay, first of all, let's go to the check the see somewhere here. Okay, we want to scroll down, we have it here. Okay, see it here, we have the dependency here. You can sometimes you use this let's say these instructions here. You can follow up with this instruction as well, and you did it very well. So copy the dependency, don't copy the old text, copy only the dependency model, and go back to our build Gradle model here, the native ads app here. So once you open it, you break down it again in a new line. So paste it. The first one was the general Cocoa AdMob and Cocoa Surface, but this one is for AdMob native ads. So once you have it this way, you synchronize it again like I show you. Yeah, I said use data to have proper save and updates. So once you go out, you have to get our Android app the app unit ID. So for now, we go to our this in the XML of the main activity. Depends activity you want to paste it. So we see, first of all, we have it here. As you can see, what we were having, this Android layout here, we don't need to use this one. We use normal layout because we have to put the template layout here. So delete it and use normal layout, linear layout. And this is our default text, hello world text here, the text view of hello world. We delete it. If you are using the activity, make sure anywhere you want to paste, you paste. So now we want to use the native templates here. You run the template because we imported this thing to give us during our typing here the native templates. You can see it here, the native templates template view. So you continue set up the linear or the layout width and the height of it how you want it to be. As you can see in my companion, make sure you connect your companion so that you also see what is going on in your programming. So I have to give it the ID. So once I give ID to it here, give ID. You don't follow my ID, you can follow my ID, but make sure you remember your ID because it's what we will use in our the activity, Java activity. So you have it the ID. I believe all these things is something you can understand what we are doing here. So the breakdown here, you give the this in the call to action here, the app gets template style type. You watch the type. This type is like the size of it. First of all, let us try with the big size that I used to see in maybe in App Creator 24 native ads like banner. The big size of it. You see, if you change this name to the small template view, it will give you small. This one is get templates. The view of it. This one is for the big size. In case you see big size, I will explain. I will change it again. Whereas we are going forward in this video, so you don't need to skip the video, so that when I change it, you will know how to change it to the smallest one. And I will show you also on how to take it to top, how to take it to down, how to take it into the center. For that one right now, I want to use the center, which is the gravity of it. I do it. So now let me get my app ID. I am also to use the text ID. So this is the template linear here. So you just copied it. You can copy it and use it. You can paste right from the. So the next thing is you need to give a template native ads when it is load. So you copy this this build. Copy this build. If you cannot, you click on the copy button behind it, you copy it. These are the build you highlight and you copy, or you click on this copy button here, copy it. So once you click on it and copy, go back to your Android Studio. In this place below it here, we go to our main activity of this layout activity. So you click on the main activity here. So in our main activity, you see we have a few things because this is tutorial projects. We do not have much of things here. So you break down the screen or the text, the code, and paste it here. Once you paste it, we have some things to modify. One, our ID, the ID of the XML. So what was your ID? You have to change it. So but before we go there, we have to put the load listener. Yes, I can say load listener or load access loader, but we want to implement the import or the class, which is what is the class of the template view, template native view or template view. When you see it, you click and we bring in the add loader. So we put the add loader. If you know how to, like, you implement let's say AdMob, banner AdSense and interstitial and others of the ad units, you understand this place very well. What I'm doing here, you have to put the loader of this thing. So you see the add loader and the add loader, I put it and I click, so it will be able to load the AdSense, and this is the manifest, or this is the activity of the XML. So we come down here to do some changes. So we replace it with this some of this thing we may encounter here. You see the changes, so you follow up with the changes I'm doing here. I will not be able to explain all calling them one by one, but if you have focus on my watching, you will see what I'm doing. You will do the same changes. Everything here is what you see. So once you click on this center to refresh and get the code gradle, so you have it this way also. So it's loading. Remember, your internet connection must be on. Connect your computer with your Wi-Fi. So your Wi-Fi will be on. Say it has connected, it's getting something from it. So it changed now, the red has changed. We still have two reds here to work on. So all those red area, that is like the code is not comparison with the, so we change the ID of our I can change the ID here. So I have one red, which is I have to work on that place. The ID is the ID that I use in my XML, so that's why I say you should use your own, or you copy me, or you must remember it, because now this area I want to remove, delete, highlight from this place here, the builder, highlight from the builder area, delete it and keep it empty. .build, keep it empty. So it will use the template background or the default background of the application or the templates. So it will use build. You see, we still have red. We need to just delete this one and remove the dot symbol here. We see everything is okay here. So you click on the play button. Let's check our app, what is up and down. So you click on the play button to build our APK file first. So you wait for the building of the APK file. We have it on the screen. My companion will show me. I now cast my screen. Using my screen to cast. As you can see it here, we have the native ads. Other things are loading. So we have the native ads here as well. So once you have it here, what is the issue here? Some people copy this video and do it in their own. They have it this same way, but well, this is the original video of this. When I did it, people start copying it also. Now this let's go and check why they add this thing is being bit. We want to change this to the smallest one, which you used to see in others people. Change it to the smallest one. You can see this place now. This is where we change it. You delete it and use small. You write small there, small template view. You have the smallest one, that smallest rectangle size. It is not by resizing it with view or whatever. You are using this particular template to automatically get the original size from AdMob, so your revenue will be okay. If you are using templates code number to resize the width of it and the height of it, AdMob will be confusing. They may think what is going on with the AdMob size of the video. You can see it here is working. Everything is now working. I believe you find this video useful, sensible and helpful. Click the like button, like the video, share it with friends, and don't be hesitate to reach out or leave your comments in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorial.